our Lewis automatic laminating machine can finish the whole process and can for 14-inch iPad and 6 pieces iPhone together. So we show you how to use it. First, clean the LCD touch, and then use the sticker to remove the OCA film on the glass. This machine is very convenient and easy to operate. And put the glass and LCD together. So when the blue light on, it means it is time for laminating. And we can touch the start button to put the LCD into the machine and close the door. The whole process for laminating is about 30 seconds, and during the laminating, the red light on. And when the laminating finish, the blue light will on, and it will come out automatically. And then we can take out the LCD. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.